Welcome to this second unit in which we will address the process of data science in business. Nowadays, we can get large amounts of data, and we're going to see how we can make good use of this data in order to optimize and enhance our business projects. We're going to see first the stages involved in the data science process, to later see some examples about the application of machine learning techniques to business problems. Data science is the field of study that uses diverse scientific approaches, processes, and sophisticated algorithms with the aim of extracting relevant knowledge from the data. We see in this slide all the different steps involved in the so-called data science cycle. Let's analyze now every one of them. The identification and definition of a problem or an aspect of it to be improved is a key aspect of the whole process, as it is the starting point and thus will strongly affect the rest of steps. Data collection should be done under different scenarios, conditions, or circumstances. The data collection step can be long and complex depending on the problem chosen and on the time span considered for analysis. It has to be kept in mind that the better the data collected, both in quality and quantity, the better the results that can be obtained. The data collected is usually not ready for analysis, as it may contain errors and missing and irrelevant data, and so the data preparation step involves analyzing and applying several methods to clean and put the data in a format ready to be exploited later by the machine learning tools. The visualization step helps to get an idea of the quality and potential of the data, also telling us whether or not we are ready for the modeling step or whether we need to consider going back to previous one to improve the process. Modeling the obtained data will help us to understand relevant factors underlying our problem, but it is far from a direct step, as different models can be used and tested until choosing one that can fit correctly the data and give a representative description of our problem. The last step in the cycle, the inference step, is executed once it has been determined that a sufficiently good model has been created. The resulting model is typically deployed as part of a production system to infer information about new observations or future probable scenarios, opening new ways to detect business opportunities. The last step in the cycle, the inference step, is executed once it has been determined that a sufficiently good model has been created. The resulting model is typically deployed as part of a production system to infer information about new observations or future probable scenarios, opening ways to detect new business opportunities. Optimization of the route for a company delivering packages is an interesting example in the area of operational optimization. A recommender system, including in e-commerce, is a relevant application in product enhancement. And finally, using a machine learning model combining mobility data of users on top of standard demographic and geographical factors for choosing a new store opening location is a real example in the area of strategic insights. The availability of data combined with the use of automatic techniques for extracting knowledge from them can be a relevant factor in order to improve our businesses. The whole process involves several stages that need to be carefully applied in order to achieve relevant results.